are minus Cp xp is equal to Bg equal minus Cz xz. Now we can write Bp equal to Bg by Bg is equal to equal minus Cz xz equal minus Cp xp. We can write equal minus Cp xp equal minus Cz xz, and we can also write lambda p lambda z. Lambda p is equal to wavelength of photon particles, lambda z is equal to wavelength of graviton particles. Such lambda p of graviton particles y is equal to 10 to the power minus 6, and graviton particles y is 10 to the minus plus to the power 4. Now ECP, XP, ECG, XG. We can calculate, or we can calculate this. It may be 10 to the minus 10, and E CP XP ECG XZ. Then we log 10 to the minus 10. This log base is E, and log ECP XP ECG XG. This mean of log is approximately minus 10. It is a normal calculation, and then this log E CP XP minus CG XG. We can write, therefore we can write CG XZ CP XP. This 10 is negligible. CG XZ CP XP, or CG CZ velocity of graviton particles and time, and Cp into Cp velocity of photon particles and T. This T is can not necessary. Now Cz is equal to Ez is equal to Ez minus U by H square. Cg velocity not T, then is equal to 2 into EP minus U by h square C, Cp, velocity of photon particles. Now we submit that twice. When the photon graviton particle moving this time, this losing this energy, and then it turn into minus C. So 10 to the power minus 32 and minus 6 into 10 to the minus 32 by h Planck constant, and then there is Cz h 2 into 10 to the minus 6 into 10 to the minus 19 into 6 into minus 6 into 10 to the minus 19. We can demolish HH and Cp. Now minus 2 into 6 into 10 to the minus 32 into Cz is equal to minus 2 into 6 to the into 10 to the minus 19 into Cp. Photon particles velocity root 2 66. So Cz must be 10 to the minus 19. Cp is equal to 3 into 10 to the minus plus 8. 8 plus 8. The velocity of photon particles or light into 10 to the minus. This minus turn into 12. 32. So we can calculate this. C is equal to the velocity of graviton particle is 3 into 10 to the 21 meter per second approximately. The graviton particle velocity 3 to 10 to the 21 meter per second approximately is much more faster than photon particle. Albert Einstein was main mistake, simple mistake was he calculated general relativity theory by photon particle. But I have to calculate the general relativity theory by graviton particles. Now, I have to further analyze. I think graviton particles, which is source of gravity, are interact with photon particles, interacting between photon particles and graviton particles, and photon particles are losing their energy by interacting with graviton particles. So we find that Schrodinger wave equation is correct. This firstly, by the interacting of photon particles with graviton particles, photon particles are losing their energy, and once the velocity of photon particles remain zero and their velocity must be reverse. It means the contrary inverse vector. And in the same system, graviton particle must be inverse system. The moment of time Vp is not factor the moment time of B is not factor. There is no energy wave of P photon as zero. This calculation is right, and then now we have to discuss Friedman equation. Famous scientist Friedman calculated equation. What is this? S square is equal to 8 pi G M R rho R0 3A plus M0 3A. Rho M0 is equal to density of matter in the universe. 8 pi Z rho R radiation, density of radiation in the universe plus 1 by 3 A square cosmological constant C square minus Cp square. It is the Friedman equation and it is a ancient theory, but my theory must be not Cp photon particles, must be graviton particles. So it is combining the system 8 general relativity 8 pi G Cp 4. It is not correct. I think it is the main mistake of Albert Einstein. So I have to analyze the graviton particles. 4 pi G rho M0 by 3M. Friedman, I calculate the Friedman new system. Pi Z rho R0 3A square and then 1 by 3 S square cosmological C square Cp square minus K Cg square, and then I am minus K square this K Cg square minus in both sides. Cp is 4 and K Cg square. I am subtracting K Cg square from both sides. So now Friedman equation is rho m C square Ca 8 pi Z rho R0 square plus 1 by 3 S square cosmological C square minus K Cp square minus K Cg square plus K Cp square. I am adding both sides. K Cp square is equal to 4 pi G Cp 4 and minus K Cg square plus K Cp square. minus cap is square minus cap is square plus cap is square